Welcome, guys. Welcome to the mode survival. Yeah, I forgot. Actually, before in the time that we offline, I planned down the sugars, and we go to travel somewhere else, and then I go across here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, the dragon, the topic. The dragon. How I get it is, did you guys know that yes before time? And this is the fast food tomato. Actually, if you want to break it down and play the game, that's not very fast. You just need to use your right click, and it will be just begin to arrive most oldest time. Crusher is great. What can the compost and what can the compost and the biomesh do? Huh? If you guys did not know, I can tell you how to do it. Wait. Maybe we need a redstone torch. Actually, in the many kind of fruit, you just need to using right click. What is the fertilizer? First, for example, I will go to get some seed. For example, I have coffee beans, right? And for coffee beans, with a knife, you will make a biomesh. For the biomesh, put into this thing that's called compost. What is the compost? It's a kind of things that can make a fertilizer from the look. This is a biomesh, and this is the fertilizer. Fertilizer is just like the bone meal, but it's special. It's come from the biomesh. When you see now it's just like a leaf, you cannot just take it out now, right? And you can easily destroy it, but don't just destroy it. See, if you destroy it, it have been nothing happened. Compost and biomesh. Knife. You guys knew it that you just need to right click, it will back to the most regular time. So. My coffee beans. Now we need a bit left. So those coffee seeds can make the biomesh later. Is the dragon annoying? This time I need to get more fishes. Before I make a trap, fish trap is a good thing. It can just let you catch some fish. But if you give him the fishing pole, you will catch faster. It's way faster, not just faster. Now there's nothing left. See, no fish. Hard to get it. Let's go back to see if we have string. Oh yeah, here is the flags. Flags are good things. Canola, nope. Never canola. Get you. And same as this, you cannot just broke it. Broken, you can have two of them, but it's not good. You just need to right click and it will grow again. Same with all the tomatoes and the coffees too. That's a good things, right? So you don't need to always doing all the dings. Let's put our fruit back, our seed back, our tomato back, and this is a kind of press. And then let's go to make a fishing pole. Oh yeah, this is another place. Oh yeah, here's the screen. Happy. And let's. Wait, I forgot. Like this. Yeah. And wait a second. Where's my wood? Where's my wood? There. Oh yeah. What? I have many wood. I don't care about if I have no more wood left. So let's do that. This. Yeah, make it. Flax. And the fishing pole. Let's put our fishing pole into our fish trap and it can help us get more fishes. Now I have experience. Yeah. If we're using other kind of fish. Actually, the dragons need to use the normal raw fish and another kind of fishing. Boots. Boots. Oh, I got you. So let's wait for a minute until you have the full of it, and then we must either get one of the raw. So we're going to later. Oh yeah. So after that we go into after some minute I go into let this dragon get formed. Actually this dragon is very big. It has many health. So let's pause the video a moment. Yay, now we are after 10 seconds. This is what the fertilizer is. So the fertilizer is same as bone meal, what I told you. In case if you have it. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, now one more left. That's crazy. More, I need more. Yeah, you guys hear the dragon calling. So let's go to check if the fish have been get more than 10 of them. So let's take a challenge. I say I will get 10 of the fishes. What's your guess? Please leave a comment, okay? Oh, I got right. Yes, I got right. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, you know, the lizard is not the fish. So 22 subtract by 2. Because the octopus is not the kind of fish. It's it is special. Wait, why did I throw my axe? That's diamonds. Loser. So manuscript. Menu. Bestiary. That's hard. So oh, this is a kind of the special sapphire. Sapphire is a new thing that add into the ice and fire. It's a type of crystals that is hard, very hard. That's harder to get X in the mine than diamonds. Yeah. Yeah. Win. Again. Yeah, I win again. Let me die. Let me die. Oops. Wait, why can I be dead? So let me die here. Oops. Oops. So now it's closely time to end too fast. 15 minutes, you know. So now the only thing that we need to do is go to Nether and make some checks. Oh! Hey, I did not know the diamonds are here! I'm a stupid. Stupid. This is the worst things. For us to mine the ores in the Nether. Yay. Let's use our punch. Punch you. Got you in the face. Yay. So let's collect some little mushrooms. Did you guys not know that the mushroom is rare? 2. The mushroom is not even rare. Super parkour man, yeah. Ringo man. Oh yeah. Let me open my inner cell.